Do you want to know how to make money with affiliate marketing? In this video, I share a very simple strategy for making money online. If money and resources are tight, I encourage you to get started with affiliate marketing. For those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is a process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products or services. If I started my online business journey all over again, this is the business model that I would have leveraged first. Ready to discover how to make money with affiliate marketing with no money or website? Here, I will showcase a training and software package called EasyProfiter, which is all about leveraging free content, free traffic and free resources in making money online using affiliate marketing. The program works on JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Amazon Affiliate Marketing and CPA Marketing. This is a complete newbie-friendly technique that works in any niche and contains step-by-step video tutorial, software package, and PDF guide. You will not need any email list or your own website to get started with this program. Key features and benefits of EasyProfiter. The EasyProfiter training and software package will include 1. Video tutorials on affiliate marketing and making money online with free resources and free traffic. 2. Quick Start PDF guide and bonus download. 3. Access to EasyProfiter software with developer rights browser-based tool which works in Windows, Mac and Linux platform. 4. Unlimited use right and developer license. 5. Unlimited free software update with lifetime access. 6. Priority technical support. 7. 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you are interested, check out this presentation of EasyProfiter.
Hello and welcome. Let's see an easy way to generate thousands of dollars by utilizing free resources available on the internet. Our students are making thousands of dollars using this strategy by utilizing free online tools. Here is a living example. Let's log into this ClickBank account. As you can see, this person is making hundreds of dollars every day. See these numbers. These are real results our students are getting every day. Note this as an example and not a guarantee that you make the same amount, but I can assure you that you will get good results if you follow our strategy. You don't have to spend money for traffic. You don't have to purchase any expensive software. You don't need your own website. You don't need any experience to make it work. No need to create your own content. No current expenses or hidden charges. What you really need is an internet connection and our step-by-step tutorials. This works for anyone from anywhere in the world. 100% newbie friendly. You can use this method to promote anything. Affiliate products, your own products or services. This strategy is proven to work for any niche. This is an effective method to generate affiliate commission from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon and CPA offers. It takes only 3 to 4 minutes of your time and few mouse clicks. Imagine a magic tool that can spread your affiliate links 24/7 without spending a dime. You will start getting free traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp and others. Your affiliate link will spread all over the internet and start bringing commissions and leads every day. We have created an easy-to-follow tutorial showing all the steps. With the video tutorials, a PDF quick start guide is also included. This is a one-time only charge and no recurring billing. We offer money-back guarantee for your purchase. Once you get the tutorials, you can start using the system without spending any additional charges. Take action right now.